Wel, helo a chroeso I benod cyntaf o Rownd y Ford. Dyma'r un cyntaf ni erioed wedi recordio. So mewn ffordd, dyw e ddim yn cyfri. Hwn yw'r be maen nhw'n galw'r peilot. Dyma ein peilot ar y môr. Ac bant hynny, just a reference bach. Let's start again. That was rubbish. Right, let's start again.
I lost.
Peilot ar y môr is great, though. Right, I've been thinking about that all day. Okay. I was thinking of going with Pontius Pilate, but I didn't. Yeah. I won't do Peilot ar y môr again. Okay. Right, Clem, ni'n dechrau. Ready? No. Well, I can't do it. Oh, no, the sgwrs is so much more professional than this. Right, okay. Well, croeso... Oh, no, let's start again. Dylsen ni cael hwn fel version. Dylsen ni fod outtake. All right. Okay.
Director's cut.
Just aros am bit.
I'm going to fit.
Go on.
Aros tam yn stopio chwerthu, fe?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on, Des. I've been cyntaf yma.
Fydd yn goch. Right, okay. Barod?
Barod.
Helo a chroeso I... Oh no, this is bad. Right, we can do it.
Pawb yn dechrau watch fe, just got beetroot face ar
I'm getting there. Right. We've got to just do it. We've got to get through this first bit. Once we're off, Yvette.
Yeah.